Hello students, this is the continued part of the maximum minima. Question 23rd, it's important. Prove that the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius capital R is 8 by 27 times of the volume of the sphere. It means 8 by 27 times of the volume of the sphere. तो आपको क्या करना है? It means सबसे पहले फिगर बताइए, इसका फिगर 1 नंबर का है. It means here this is the sphere. This is the cone. Capital R be the radius. Capital R be the radius. This is the A, B, C, D, O. A, B, C, D, O. A, B, C, D, O is the center of the circle. So first you explain. It means let small r be the radius. Small r be the radius of the cone. H be the height. H be the height. V be the volume. H be the height. V be the volume. Then volume. It means 1 by 3 pi r square h. H be the height of the cone. It means differentiate this volume with respect to r or with respect to h. But first you convert r in terms of h or h in terms of r. It means first you find some relation between small r and small h. How to find this relation? अब मुझे बताइए, जब इसकी हाइट h है तो आप OD क्या होगा? OD इज इक्वल टू h माइनस कैपिटल R. OD इक्वल टू h माइनस कैपिटल R in triangle OBD. Because this angle is 90 degree, it means you can apply Pythagoras theorem. It means OB square equal to BD square plus OD square. OB square equal to BD square plus OD square. But OB square, that is capital R square, equal to BD small r square plus h minus capital R square. Open the square. R square plus h square plus r square minus 2hr. तो r square तो कैंसिल हो गया. Just for small r, this implies small r square equal to 2hr minus h square. That is the sum relation between small r and small h. Put in the volume. So therefore volume is 1 by 3 pi 2hr minus h square into h. हमने क्या किया? सबसे पहले इन ट्रायंगल OPD, राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल थी, हमने पाइथागोरस लगा दी. इसमें OPD में पाइथागोरस लगाई हमने. तो पाइथागोरस में सबसे पहले देखिए OD क्या होगा, यानी AD माइनस AO होगा. AO हमारा R है और AD हमारा H है, इसलिए OD हमारा H माइनस R हो गया. इन ट्रायंगल OPD अप्लाई पाइथागोरस. OB स्क्वायर इक्वल टू BD स्क्वायर प्लस OD स्क्वायर. कैपिटल R स्क्वायर इक्वल टू स्मॉल r स्क्वायर प्लस h माइनस r स्क्वायर. ओपन द स्क्वायर. कैपिटल R स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो we get small r square equal to 2hr minus h square. 2hr minus h square. It means then this equal to 1 by 3 pi, put in the volume, 1 by 3 pi 2 r h square minus h cube. 2r into h square minus h cube. Next step, differentiate with respect to small h. dv by dh 1 by 3 pi constant term 4rh minus 3h square 4rh minus 3h square. अगला स्टेप वही है आपका फॉर मैक्सिमा और मिनिमा पुट dv by dh equal to 0. फॉर मैक्सिमा और मिनिमा पुट dv by dh equal to 0. जब dv by dh को 0 बनाएंगे तो 1 by 3 pi कैन नॉट बी 0. इसमें मतलब क्या आएगा h into 4r minus 3h equal to 0. It means this implies h not equal to 0. If it is 0, there is no con. It means the 4r minus 3h equal to 0. This implies h equal to 4r by 3. Therefore, height of the cone equal to 4 by 3 times the volume of the radius of the sphere. But we want to prove its maximum volume is maximum. It means find the double derivative. It means double derivative निकालिए तो क्या करेंगे? Again this function differentiate again with respect to h. तो differentiate करिए. Again differentiate with respect to h. Again differentiate with respect to h. So d2v upon dh square equal to 1 by 3 pi 4r minus 6h. क्या कि h का तो 1 हो जाएगा, 3h के 2h हो जाएगा. It means 4r minus 6h. Put the point. d2v upon dh square at h equal to 4r by 3. Then this equal to 1 by 3 pi 4r minus 6 into 4r by 3 means it's negative. Therefore, volume is maximum at h equal to 4r by 3. Therefore, volume is maximum at h equal to 4r by 3. But we want to prove its volume is maximum and is 8 by 27 times of the volume of the sphere. Now, find maximum volume. Then volume of cone. कहाँ पुट करेंगे? h की वैल्यू 4r by 3 कहाँ पुट करें हम? यानी इसके वॉल्यूम में पुट कर देते हैं, यहां पुट कर देते हैं हम. पुट करिए. इट मीन 1 by 3 pi 2r into 4r by 3. भाई आपका 2hr था माइनस h स्क्वायर माइनस 16r स्क्वायर by 9 into 4 by 3r. Then this equal to 1 by 3 pi 8r square by 3 minus 16 r square by 9 into 4 by 3r into 4 by 3r. Then this equal to 1 by 3 pi 9 LCM 24 r square minus 16 r square into 4 by 3r. Then that is 1 by 3 pi 8 r square by 3 9 into 4 by 3r. It means 8 by 27 अलग कर दीजिए आप. 8/27 अलग किया तो बच क्या गया, 4 बच गया, 3 pi r cube. And what is this? This is the 8/27 volume of the sphere. It means volume of the cone is equal to 8/27 times the volume of the sphere. Hence proof.